Did you miss me? Watch this. Run, run. We're waiting for armies. Attack them now. Huh? It's the armies. Armies. Minions. Ano ginagawa? Fight na kayo. Fight na kayo. Yes, boss.
Ali. Tangkata mo pin ka para ka na ako. Isip ka.
Natalo ka na, Damien. So, you have to fight me. You are the boss. I'll show you. We're gonna fight like this. Ready? Wait. Ready? Ready na kayo, armies? Fight na kayo! Ready, armies? Fight na kayo! Destroy this castle! Hurry! Get out! Talo! Wait. You're gonna fight me first. If you want to fight me, you're gonna wait. Attack na kayo! Destroy nyo na ang castle! Ang galing mo si Darius! Yay! You're the winner! You counter. Why did you do to me?
Talagang yan ang ginata mo, no?
Why you are doing like this?
What?
Yay! And you, David, you have to prepare your armies now. We're gonna fight. See you, David.